Wow, it really rips around on the carpet. I wonder if I go in their tunnel. They love that tunnel. It's my first day driving a tank, so. Oh, we're in the tunnel. We're in their tunnel. We've breached the tunnel. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Guys, MrAlanC checking out the Hoshi tracked double-sided stunt car. This thing looks like a tank. Let's see what's in the box. This itself looks really cool. And, all right, guys, inside the box, we see the device itself. This is impressive. Looks like a battle robot. And we have a controller right here, as well as an instruction manual, rechargeable battery, and USB to power supply for charging that battery. Hey guys, so they include a cool little screwdriver with this, so you can pop the battery door off, put in 2 AAAs, and seal it back up. We'll screw that into place in a second. Once again, we got the device, and we can see this is charging. When it's red like that, that means it's charging. Once it's charged up, it will no longer glow red. And then we will put that in the bottom here in that battery door. On the battery door with included screwdriver, I see that they included a second rechargeable battery, which is super generous. So I put the charged battery in place, fastened it down, and look at this. We got some green blinking lights, and this is switched to on. Let's grab our controller and switch this up. And look, they blinked to solid. So this one's ready to go. We can go ahead and put this down on the ground and try it out. Seeing some designs on here, like right here. That's if it lands on there, if these tracks flatten out, you roll and do tricks. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. Plus there's some big rolly parts right there, as you can see, some wheels. So yeah, let's check it out. We have 3 speed options on the controller. And here we go. Let's back this up a little bit. Okay. So one side of the controller controls the left track, the right side controls the right track. We can punch that speed up, and let's go. Holy cow. Take a look at that, guys. This thing's got some power. This really is like a little tiny tank. There. Wow. Very cool. This really is next level. Look at it. Wow, that was insane. Incredible tricks here. Wow, take a look at that wheelie. Incredible. Check that out. An incredible RC toy, RC unit. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.